This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards and support it with the prop rod. For the replacement of the low beam headlight bulb, pull off the bulb access cover. Rotate the bulb about 45 degrees counterclockwise, then pull it out of the housing. Disconnect the electrical connector and remove the bulb. Without touching the bulb lens with your fingers, connect the bulb electrical connector and insert the bulb into the housing while aligning the notches. Rotate the bulb clockwise until it is securely locked in place. Install the bulb access cover. The high beam bulb is replaced in the same way.